Students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to the online platform. So yes, in last class, real and virtual image, and this is the all assignment. Today we will discuss about mirror. So class 7th and PD number 4. Okay, and today's topic is mirror. Okay, today's topic is mirror. So what do you mean by mirror? Mirror means any smooth or polished surface which can reflect a ray of light is called a mirror. So simple, this is simple, very simple. So here I will write the definition of mirror. Any smooth or polished surface, any smooth or polished surface which can which can reflect a ray of light, a ray of light is called a mirror. So simple, what is mirror? Mirror is any smooth or polished surface which can reflect a ray of light is called a mirror. When a reflecting surface, what is reflecting surface? So here you can see this thing. This is the object, and here in back side polished with the paint, and this is the reflecting side. So this is the reflecting side. Okay, this is the reflecting side. Okay, when a reflecting surface is plane, a mirror is called plane mirror. Reflecting surface is plane, this is called plane mirror. This is called plane mirror. Plane mirror. So this is called plane mirror. So what is the definition of plane mirror? Here I will write plane mirror. What is plane mirror? When the when the when the reflecting surface is plane, like this. When the reflecting surface is plane, so the mirror is called plane mirror. So this is called plane mirror. And what is spherical mirror? This is the example of spherical mirror. This is the example of plane mirror. Okay, understand? Okay, the next, what is spherical mirror? So here I will write what is spherical mirror. A mirror with spherical with spherical or curved. Okay, both are important. Spherical or curved curve reflecting surface, reflecting surface is called spherical mirror. So here is the example of spherical mirror or curve mirror, like this this is in back side. Here is the coating of any substances, and this is the reflecting surface, this is the reflecting surface. And if you know very well, this side will coating, then this is the reflecting surface. So this is the example of spherical mirror, this is the example of plane mirror. Okay, you understand very. Okay, next, a spherical mirror is called so because it is a part of a hollow sphere. This is the hollow sphere. Spherical mirror are two types. Here I will write here, spherical mirror are are two types. First, concave mirror, and second, convex. Okay, first concave mirror and second convex mirror. Concave mirror are the mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward, reflecting surface curve inward and outward in convex. So here you can write reflecting surface inward. Okay, inwards, and here you can write reflecting surface outwards. Okay, so this is the main point. What is inward and outward, you can see by this figure. Here this is outward, this is outward. Okay, coating is outward and reflecting surface inward. This is the reflecting surface, like this, reflecting surface in this direction. So this is the example of concave mirror. Okay, this is the example of concave mirror, and here coating inward, coating inward, but reflecting surface outward, reflecting surface outward, like this. This is the big difference, you can understand very. Students, this is the reflecting surface inward in the case of concave mirror and reflecting surface outward in the case of convex mirror. So this is the example of convex mirror. Okay, so what is the correct definition of concave mirror? Concave mirror are the mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved inward. So here I will write here concave mirror, concave mirror, concave mirrors are the mirrors, concave mirrors, concave mirrors are the mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved. Reflecting surface is curved. Okay, curved inward. Yani this is the example of concave mirror. Reflecting surface inward, okay, and reflecting surface outward, and in this here is the coating and here is the reflecting surface. Okay, you can understand. This is the definition of concave mirror. Here I will write the definition of convex mirror. Here is I will write the convex mirror. Convex mirror are the mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards. Okay, see in the figure, this is the figure of, and this is the example of concave mirror and convex mirror. So in next class we will discuss about formation of image in a plane mirror, and also we will discuss about formation of image in a spherical mirror. So both the topic will cover in the next class, but today onwards you can learn what is mirror, definition of plane mirror, if spherical mirror, and how many type of spherical mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, what is the diagram of convex mirror and concave mirror, and also what is the definition of concave mirror and convex mirror. So this is the today's class, and we will discuss in on the timetable, schedule timetable. We will discuss next topic, that is formation of image in a plane mirror, and the next topic formation of image in the spherical mirror. But today's assignment for you, assignment 4th, first question, define mirror. Question number 2, define plane mirror. Question number 3, define spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors and its types. Okay, 3 question is important for you today's class. Okay, and 4 question define concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, so students, done all these questions at the scheduled time today at 11 to 12 am, and I will check in your WhatsApp group, and also you will comment in the comment box. If you are watching this video, you can comment in the comment section with your name and class and sections also. Okay students, so today the topic of mirror, plane mirror, spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are 2 types, concave mirror and convex mirror. This is the basic class for you, and this is the class 7th. Okay, and PD and lecture number 4. So if you are watching, so please comment in comment section also. So present is mandatory for you all. Thank you, have a nice day. Jai Hind.